Now that we've convinced you to dive headfirst into a pool of varied but manageable supplemental essays, where do you even find these things? Usually, you can find the supplements in one of two places. If your school is on the Common App, they should be available under each school when the application goes live, usually around August 1st. But be warned, occasionally schools wait to release their supplements until after the Common App release date, so don't simply assume that if a supplement isn't listed, that one isn't required. Instead, make sure you check the second source for supplemental prompts, the school websites. This is the most reliable place to find information about a school's supplemental essay requirements. The prompts are often listed in the admissions section or on a school's admission-specific blog. In many cases, schools release their supplemental essay questions well in advance of the Common App live date, so keep your eyes peeled and your ears perked. The admissions section of school websites is also the place you want to look for essay questions if you're applying to a school that isn't affiliated with the Common Application. Basically, you're going to become the master of admission searches on the whole entire internet. We will award you a virtual trophy accordingly.